Introducing one of our best sellers, the Guide Me solution, now featuring the innovative in-action guide. This allows users to fill out Archer records with step-by-step guidance as they go. This solution is a game-changer for enhancing the user experience within your organization, particularly for those new to Archer. We're confident your end users will find immense value in this feature. Let's dive into a demo. Our latest enhancement includes instructions that dynamically adjust based on the current phase of the workflow. This means users are presented with only the relevant instructions for their specific stage. Consider a scenario where a record is in its draft phase and hasn't been submitted for review yet. The guide meticulously walks the submitter through each step, proving especially useful for those unfamiliar with Archer. It begins by spotlighting the general instructions section, guiding users on where to start. When you click Next, it highlights an example of a required field, showcasing how users should approach these fields. Addressing Archer's quirks, the guide simplifies complex fields. Take the external link field, for example, users often stumble here. Our instructions make it clear: select http/https from the dropdown first, then paste the URL without the protocol prefix to ensure success. It then eases users through populating cross-referenced fields, which can be difficult for new Archer users, detailing when to add new versus when to look up. The Guide Me solution shines with its ability to adapt and include additional fields triggered by data-driven events. Say you set the overall rating to medium, triggering the findings section to appear. Instantly, the guide adjusts, expanding to include guidance on the findings section. Note that the previous total of 6 steps has been changed to 7 steps. Another common oversight is tabs, which can lead to missed fields. Our guide explicitly highlights these tabs, ensuring users are aware of all required fields within them. In its final steps, it draws attention to the Advanced Workflow button, guiding users to submit their request for review, a crucial step often overlooked by new users, potentially delaying processes. Notice how the instructions are specifically tailored to the submitter's perspective at this stage. Now, let me submit this request for review. Next up, the review stage, where the guidance refreshes, this time for the reviewers. It starts by highlighting what needs review and how to access details. It then nudges reviewers towards often neglected tabs, followed by instructions on entering comments before rejecting a request. Finally, it points out the Advanced Workflow button for submitting their review decision. This guide ensures users never miss critical steps and always know their next move. Configuring this solution is a breeze, no coding required. Any Archer admin can easily set this up. Let me show you how. To incorporate guidance into any component, like a specific section or field, all you need to do is craft a text box following a particular format. This setup is thoroughly outlined in our user guide. For instance, to guide users through the general section, you'd use a simple structure: specify the component type and component name, then append the actual instructions. Our system is designed to intelligently recognize these inputs and seamlessly integrate them into the interactive guide you've seen today. Adjusting the visibility of instructions based on the workflow stage is straightforward, thanks to data-driven events, DDEs. By default, we hide all guidance text boxes. Then, depending on the record's current status, like draft or under review, we selectively reveal the relevant instructions. This means submitter-specific guidance appears only during the draft phase, while reviewer-specific directions become visible when the status changes to under review. This dynamic approach ensures users receive just-in-time instructions, making the configuration process as simple as demonstrating it. If you are interested in this solution or if you would like to learn more, please reach out to us at info@archerscripts.com.